welcome to Financial Fitness Program. My name is Samir Bapat, and today we are going to learn about TradingView and how to use TradingView. Those who are new to stock market or they are joining for the first time, they don't know what is TradingView is, why we are using going and looking at TradingView or learning. They don't know anything about charts or anything. Don't worry, just follow the process. Whatever we are going through, replicate it in your laptop, practice it, because as we go further I will be telling you what is charts, why we are using it, how we will be using it. Today's session is purely for getting well versed with TradingView and how to use it, because many have come back to me and said, okay, because I am well versed with the things, I do it very fast, and then when they try it on their own, they are not able to do it. So today's session is only to get well versed with the TradingView tool and how to play around with the charts. I hope every one of you has logged in into their system. They have opened the account in TradingView and they have logged in into TradingView. Just to confirm, you put on chat yes. If you are logged in into TradingView and you are it is there in your window in your browser, just type in yes. Great. So what I'll do is I'll not share my screen now. I'm stopping to share, and I would like someone to share their screen. Alka has volunteered for showing her screen for the TradingView. So we will follow her screen and I will tell her how to use her screen, and you all can do exactly what she is doing in your screen, right? Fine. So Alka, you can share your screen.
Yeah. I hope it is visible.
Yeah, it's visible. So just a minute. One more request. Please don't start your videos because I am recording this and then there will be multiple videos. So please keep your video switched off. Now this is the view when you log in for the first time. Yes. So everyone can is able to reach till this point. Anyone having any issues here?
Yes.
Yes. Even you can. Everyone can say yes. Also unmute and say yes. Let's have some noise.
Yeah.
Yeah. Everyone knows. Okay. Now once we reach here, now we have to go to the main charts. Okay. So this is the chart. Wait. Pause for there. So you see this is the line where ideas, market, scripts, screener, streams, everything is written, and she has brought her mouse at the chart. So you will see something like this. Okay, great. Go ahead. Click on that. Now I want every one of you in your browsers, click on the chart and say or type yes, you have reached to something like this.
Yes.
Yes, 2, yes. We
Yes,
have 56 people.
Yes.
3, yes, 4. Okay, great.
No.
No, okay. Who is no?
I am no.
Okay,
It's
Deepak,
only the line diagram I can see and the volumes at the bottom.
you can see only line diagram.
Yes, and the volumes at the bottom.
Line diagram. Okay, line diagram you are saying. Okay,
Yeah.
but you have reached this.
The chart type.
No, wait. You have reached till this point, correct? So you are seeing some diagram there and something like that.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Anyone?
It's showing line.
Okay, fine. I got the point. Okay. Anyone else stuck?
Yes, here in my case it says you don't have any charts, create new one.
Yeah.
But you clicked on the chart, right?
Yeah, I clicked on the chart, it says you don't have any charts, create new one.
I think he didn't put any equity name or something maybe.
No.
You can put any equity name and then check.
You are able to open at this window. Is it okay? You have reached to this window, but nothing is visible.
Samir, when we click on the chart, it is showing there is no, you haven't added anything. But when we click it, in my case, Apple's chart is opening.
Okay,
Yes,
that is
mine
fine.
also a apple but line diagram.
Very good. Okay, then everyone has reached there. That's fine. Fine. So fine. Okay. Now, Alka, what I want you to do is on the this blue lines are there, na, which is coming on your this thing screen. Blue lines. Okay. So double click now. Here, double click your. Double click here.
Yeah.
Double click. Kari.
Yeah, did down. I did.
Oh, okay. Then right click. I wanted settings. I want to see. Just do reset the chart, Alka. No, all right. Okay, right click. You have settings below, na? Go to settings. Yeah. Okay. Now you have to go to last value. Extend our. Remove this. Uncheck this. Okay.
I think it's correct.
Okay. Now, okay. Show them. So if you get something like this, you have to go right click and you have to go to settings. And you have to see here, you have to do something. If nothing is working, go to the left bottom on the screen, left, drop down. Okay, and no, drag little up. It is not visible on the screen. The drop down all are not visible. Further. Okay, now drop down and go down. Restore default will be there, right? Below this? Or apply default. Do this. Okay, now here apply defaults. Okay, so whatever is the default, it will do that. So I want everyone to go click on right click on your screen and come to this window. Everyone has come to this window?
Right click,
setting and templates, apply defaults. Everyone is able to do it? Yes?
Thanks, Samir. I was struggling for this.
So should we write Cipla as well? Because
No. Wait. Step by step. Just right click, settings, restore default. Fine?
In my case, I'm seeing the volume also at the bottom, but in the screen, Alka, I'm not seeing.
Don't worry. Come to that, right? So now this is our screen. Now see, what we have to do is we have to see the chart. Now this is the chart. That means, what do we mean by that is, every day when a share is traded on stock market, it will have some price. So this is a price plot versus time frame. Okay. Now if where her cursor is there, that cross is there, now make it stable. Now if you see below, it's 30th April which is written there. Everyone can see that?
yes.
Yes? Only one yes? I want everyone to say yes. Yes? Okay. So or type yes or say yes, but something has to be done. Okay. Now that is the date, and right side 4:30 is written, so that point it is written. Can you take your mouse till the top? On the candle. See, this was the candle price there. So on 30th April, the price was 592. So it's a simple plot which we studied in our 10th standard or earlier, maybe 6th, 7th standard. It is a simple plot. We used to have date versus the values, and this is how it is plotted. So below, x-axis is the dates and y-axis is the price. Whatever is the closing price that day, it is plotted here. Now I would just take your mouse and change it to line diagram. Just wait. Alka, can you change it to line diagram?
Yeah.
No, not here. No. Wait. Okay, fine. No. Wait. First is Cipla. Here. Drop it down. Okay. Make it line chart. So I want everyone to make your chart as a line chart now. Okay. So Cipla is there. Take your mouse where you are where you have done the line chart. So here, see, you can see. Just hold on there. See, everyone saw where she dropped down and made it into line chart.
Yeah.
Okay. So everyone has made your chart as a line chart.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. 3, 4. Yes. Perfectly clear.
Yes.
Great. Now make your charts as a line chart, and now Alka, take your mouse to the point at the last point where this price is there, 590 is there on the chart, 590, yeah, and keep to the blue line. Keep it on the blue line, yeah. See, this is where and click. No, not double click, cancel. Just so that I have like this cross. थोड़ा सा नीचे लेना उसको. No, take it little below. I want to see that cross so that I can show this is the value at 390 3rd April and 582 like that.
So Samir, why was the screen showing some alert? Because it has been set in that view, is it? Okay.
Yeah. So I'm taking you step by step. Now, so this is, everyone is clear that this is a chart and this line diagram is the close price of at the end of the market hours, whenever the stock market closes. Whatever is the closing price of Cipla, it is plotted on this chart. Below is the dates and x-axis is the price. You can see on the right side it's written 500, 460 like that, correct? 583, 577 if she is bringing down like that, 564, and the horizontal line it's a date. So it's the chart is plotted date versus price. Everyone clear how it is plotted?
Yes.
Anyone having doubt? Any doubt?
No.
Anyone?
It's clear.
Yeah, I have a question.
Yes, please.
The x-axis is 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, 3 months, because my window is not coming exactly like this.
Who is this?
Mohit.
अच्छा MO लिखा मैंने कहा कौन है भाई? Wait. I'll come to that because what it is coming written?
It is showing me 30th April. Value is 590 and last price is 959.
Okay.
So
If you select a month,
I think you are on either day chart or month chart.
Day chart, yeah. So what should it be?
No, day chart ही ठीक है ना, day chart इसका ये for her it is okay. Let's first make her chart correct. Okay, after Cipla you have this is 1 hour. If you go to your chart, drop down, select D, scroll down. D, okay. Wait. Make it D. Okay, fine. ठीक है, मोहित.
Okay, so it should be day. D.
Yeah. 1 day. Okay, let me check her chart again. Okay, Cipla D line chart. Fine. Now everything is okay. Okay. So everyone, you will be getting a line chart. Fine.
Yeah.
Samir.
Yeah.
Santosh Presti here. I joined Little Lead. Just I'm opening that chart. Just where I have to go. Sorry. Sorry.
Okay. Alka, can you quickly show him? What you can do? No, don't leave. Cancel.
Yeah.
Cancel. You go to that right hand side, left hand side corner. That 2 is there, na? 2. Click on that. Okay. Now go to Alka Bhise where it is written. Okay. Click on that. Profile. Go to profile right side. Right. No. Take. Alka Bhise where it is written. Profile. Yeah. Click there.
Samir.
Leave. Okay. Profile you click. Leave. Wait. I am doing it for you only. Okay, see this is, you are seeing this right after logging in?
Samir, sorry, I have opened my account actually, HDFC Security.
No, I cannot. I am today only teaching TradingView.
So where I have to go?
I asked to create TradingView account right in the group.
I think he can see the later on video.
I think you can see later. Yeah, it's okay. Let's go there.
Take it, Samir, mine is in.tradingview.com, but again everything is same.
Then you follow that.
Samir, how do you come to? How come we are having Apple and she is having Cipla? Is it?
Don't worry about that. Again, you change it to 1 day. After Cipla, you convert it to day. Okay, hard day. Okay, fine.
Samir, one question. So how is it that she's showing the Cipla thing and we are on Apple?
Now you
because of the different
no. Wait. Now go to first is this chart. Everyone is understood the first concept. Just understand the first concept. This is plotting of price movement. X-axis is date. Y-axis is price. Doesn't matter whether you are having Apple or Cipla. Below, do you find dates? February, March, something like that, dates? Everyone is able to see on the horizontal line dates?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes? Okay, don't worry whether you are seeing Apple or anything, just horizontal line. Can you take your mouse to the horizontal line where February, March? See where she is moving this cursor below. Everyone is seeing dates?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Now take it to the price on the y-axis. Everyone is seeing the price, right? So this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Y-axis is having your price, x-axis is you having your date. The graph is plotted at the end of the day for the price versus date movement. Everyone good with that? Everyone clear with that?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Now this chart we use for different.
Samir,
Yeah.
This is Rajesh. How to zoom out of the chart?
Wait. We'll go step by step. We have 64 people, so I will teach each and everyone will be expert today. Okay. Now we have to. Now you go to Cipla. Click there. Now see, understand, everyone pay attention. Now if I want to see any shares price or this chart, I have to input the name of that share in the box where her mouse is. Can you just move around your mouse there? Yeah, see, everyone can see her mouse there?
Yeah.
Okay, now if you want to input any stock name, you have to input it there. Agree? Now you type there. What we'll do is we'll change this chart to Maruti. Okay, now you can type Maruti there.
Okay.
Okay, and see there is a drop down, lot of Maruti has come. Now if you see on where her mouse is right hand side, that NSC and Indian flag is there. Everyone clear with that? Yes?
Yeah.
Some energy, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very few. Okay, so someone has logged in with two systems, so you have to mute one system, otherwise echo will come. So now you have to select on this Maruti Suzuki with Indian flag, NSC. Now you select that. No. You keep there only. This line you have to select. Now see, the chart has changed to Maruti. I want every one of you to go in your browser in this trading view. In this area where she is moving her mouse, type in Maruti, MARUTI, and change your chart to Maruti. Do it now.
Yeah, it's done.
Done.
Great.
I'm getting this candlestick chart.
Okay, no problem. Let it be there. Maruti, did you get Maruti?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Everyone is getting Maruti now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Anyone not getting Maruti? Everyone getting Maruti. Okay, now type Reliance there. Everyone type Reliance, RELIAN. Wait, see, you have lot of Reliance here. Okay, now you should know the industry name. We are going to select Reliance Industries only. So you have to NSC flag, and that row Reliance Indus is written. Reliance Industries you have to select. Now change your chart to Reliance Industries.
Okay, done.
Done? Great.
Done.
What about others?
Yes, done.
Done? Okay. Done? Okay. Great. Now, in place of Reliance, type Vedanta. Wait. After typing Vedanta, wait. See, now you see, take the mouse to the Vedanta Limited, where it is written on NSC. See, Vedanta Limited, you will see that you have Vedanta Limited and below is also Vedanta Limited. And one is Indian flag and one is NYSE, New York Stock Exchange. So don't select the New York Stock Exchange. We have to always use the Indian flag wala symbol. That is the first thing. Everyone clear with that?
Yeah.
Second thing is, you will notice she has typed Vedanta, but the first what is coming is VEDL, correct?
Correct.
So that is the short form of Vedanta. So that is a symbol as NSC, National Stock Exchange, has allocated to Vedanta. So sometimes it will not come as per the name. it will come as a symbol. So the symbol for this is VEDL. So don't get confused if you don't find the first column what you type, and if you don't get that symbol, don't get confused, because it's a short form given to them, the company, by National Stock Exchange. Okay, now everyone change your screen to, you can select Vedanta now.
Samir, one question.
Yes.
So the symbol given by NSE and BSE to any company remains same, or it can be different also?
If NSE gives a symbol, it will remain same till the time that company is listed on that exchange. So it will remain same.
No. I'm saying between NSE and BSE, can the symbol be same?
No,
or it can be different.
It can be same. It can be different also.
Okay.
Both is possible, right?
So Samir, why I am also seeing I see two Vedanta Limited. One is NSE and BSE, so it should not matter, right?
I normally prefer using NSE when I'm using chart. You can use BSE also, no problem. Some stocks are listed only on BSE; they are not listed on NSE.
No, on the screen I was not seeing the BSE listing, but here in my screen I see the.
Yeah,
BSE
you will see. You
listing.
can use either of them, no problem. It's hardly makes any difference. I prefer using NSE. You can use either NSE or BSE. They're absolutely same, no problem at all. Fine.
Okay.
So till this point, so I have covered how to log into system. I have covered how to reach to the chart. Now I have covered where you can type the symbol and change the chart for that company. 3 points clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Any doubts so far?
Yeah.
Anyone having any doubt so far?
No.
I just asked you on the NSE BSE point. You normally trade on the NSE because it has higher volumes, or like, I mean, I'm just curious that some stocks are listed on the BSE, but why, why, if most people prefer to trade on the NSE, then why does the BSE exist? I mean,
okay. Okay. Park this question, because now I have to go back in history and then we'll get diverted. So park this question. Please ask this question again once we end this session. Fine? Because I have to go through the history of BSE and NSE for answering your question. Okay, so park this question. It's a good question at the end of the session. We are okay?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Now everyone can change the symbol here?
Yes.
Okay. Now after VDL there is something mentioned as D. So can you drop down here? Okay, so can you see the drop down?
Yes.
Okay, so the drop down here is the time frame. Okay, so whatever is the time frame, see they give a candle till 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. What does it mean? That whatever was the value at the end of the day, right now we are seeing the chart of a day. If we select week, then this chart will be for week. Whatever was the value of that week, it will come. Can you click the week here? Yeah. So see, the chart is made with the closing price, whatever was on Friday. Okay, this complete blue line charted here will come for whatever was on the Friday close. They will join it and make this line. Can you change it to monthly? Okay, monthly. Okay, this is the chart for the same VDL plotted by joining the lines of its closing price at the end of the month every month. Fine. So this is the difference of daily, weekly and monthly. Normally for our purposes, what we are learning right now for next month, we will be using daily charts or weekly charts maximum. We will not use neither 5 minutes, 1 hour, nothing will use. So anytime you come here, you have to make sure you see a D there. So you can change it to D. Okay. Okay. Now I want every one of you first to change it from D to week and say yes or type yes. So Alka, can you just hover your mouse where everyone has to go and here.
Yes.
So
able to do it.
Able to do. You have gone on weekly, right?
Yes.
Correct. Everyone is on weekly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now change it to monthly now.
Okay. Done.
Done.
Yes.
Done? Okay, great. Now change it back to day.
Done, Samir.
Done? Done? Four voices only.
Yeah.
Done.
Okay, great. Fine. So everyone clear with that? Now you want to let's go ahead. Any questions so far? No questions? Everyone is pakka where to see, and maybe everyone can help each other if someone has doubt on the group. Okay. Now the third thing is line. Now this is the line diagram. Here is where Shalu your issue will be resolved. See, there are various types of drawing the charts, right? So we have started with line. Now second is candlesticks we'll select. Okay. So this is candlesticks. If you don't know what is candlesticks, don't worry. I will be covering in detail. Just understand how to select between this thing. Okay. So you know, now you change back to line. Okay. Now everyone practice, go there, first select line, change your chart to line if it is anything else. So everyone should have line right now there. And once you have line, say yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Such a low energy. 60 people.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now change it to candles.
Labor Day. Laborers are relaxing.
लेबर डे है तो सारे लेबर जोश में होना चाहिए ना, मतलब
छुट्टी है तो सबको जोश होना चाहिए.
जोश होना चाहिए. Okay. Now change it to candle. Everyone change to candle.
Two candles, right? A hollow candle and a candle. So
Only candle.
just a view, right? It's just a view.
Right now change only to candle.
Candles. Done.
Yeah, done.
And say yes.
Done.
Done.
Samir, the thickness of the candle is different in mine.
No problem. We'll come to that. Okay. Okay. Now I want everyone to go to line.
Done.
Done. Okay. Now I want everyone to select Hakinashi candle.
Okay. Done.
Done.
4 people only.
Okay.
Done. Okay.
Done.
Done?
Yeah, done.
Okay. Again go back to candlestick patterns.
Done.
Done? Okay, great. So this is what we have learned is how to punch in the symbol which we want to analyze. Then we have taken the daily charts and we know how to toggle between daily and weekly charts. Third is we have gone for the plot type, line, candle, like that. After that we will go to FX. Next one. Here. So everyone take your mouse to this FX where it is written, and can you see indicators and strategies?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
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 Okay. Now click on that. Okay. Now we have search option, type volume there. Okay, now the first one that has come as volume, right? No, here, not here. Go down.
Samir, I could not see this. What you mentioned, the first one, indication and strategies.
Sorry?
Oh, this is on the top. Indication and strategies.
Wait. It is here. Everyone can see this? Look at her mouse, right? So then this window is open. So everyone please open the window and in search type volume, VOLUME. Okay. Now here, see where her mouse is right now. We have to select that volume. Okay. Select now and again click once more. Okay. Click once more. That's it. Okay. Cross. Okay. Now take your mouse below Vedanta where it is written Vedanta. See, now you can see she has around 4 volumes written here. Correct?
Yeah.
Now this is the problem you will face. Sometimes you will think it has not come and you will keep on clicking it for multiple times. Okay. So what you have to do, if it comes for multiple time, go to the cross and remove it with the cross till you have only one. Keep only one and remove all volume. Right? Understood?
Thank you, Samir. This was I was struggling to get the volume. I don't know how I.
Come again. Can you come again, Samir, on this?
Okay, volume, delete volume, Alka.
Samir, this increases the color also. That it becomes bold.
So it becomes darker.
What are the lines?
It becomes dark. So
what are the different colors? Which one to close? Which one to close? What are the different?
No. Don't worry about the color. First is everyone is able to open this window, indicators and strategies. Yes. Say yes. 64 yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now type volume. Type volume.
Okay.
Select this volume where her mouse is. Can you just rotate there? Okay. Selected volume. Keep on clicking on that volume for 3-4 times.
Okay.
Okay. Have you clicked 4-5 times on that volume?
Yes.
Everyone say yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now close this window. Okay. Closed. Okay, now you will see she is moving the mouse. Now you see she has selected the volume 3 or 4 times. Yes?
Yes.
Everyone is having this 3-4 times there.
Yeah.
We don't want so many volumes because the volume is only one for one chart. Agreed? So we don't want unnecessary indicators on our screen. So we want to, what we want to do? Remove. So now she has taken it. She has taken the mouse and there is a cross on which it is written remove. Take your mouse to that cross. Are you getting remove?
Yes.
Oh, you have removed all, huh? Okay, no problem. And then remove them. So keep one extra remove. Removed.
So these are the volumes of the shares traded during a particular time?
Yes. In that day. So if you see the value there, take to go down and show the date actually, if possible. See, you can see the date. Wait, hold on. See, there is a date below 10th October mentioned, right? Correct?
Yeah.
Now, if you see after VOL, it is written 8.466 M. Okay, that means on 10th of October, 8.466 million shares were traded. Fine.
Okay.
So this.
So if we change the time to the hour, it will show us the corresponding volume, right?
Corresponding. So whichever time frame you are dealing with, that one tower below. Okay, take to the green highest tower there on the left hand side. No, there only volume tower. This one. See, this is the green tower. It's a volume for the day. It is the volume for 26th September. How much is the volume?
21.7 billion.
21.70 billion.
Correct. Everyone got it? Clear?
Yes.
What is the second number?
What is the second number?
Which second number? That is the average number. That is the average that it takes for. Okay, let's go and see the. Okay, go to the volume. Now you have first one I is made. Now the second is setting. Click on the setting. Okay. Now you have. Okay, it has style. So. See, style is okay. See, moving average. So it is giving the average of last 20 days. If you see this MA length, it is 20. So the second one is the moving average. Okay, you can as well, you can ignore the second one. The first one is useful.
Okay.
Click on OK. Fine. So we are good with volume?
Yes, Samir.
Yeah? Everyone comfortable so far?
Yes.
Okay. Again, the volume has gone down.
Yes.
Okay. Now delete, Alka, delete the volume. Okay. Now I want you, everyone, to delete it and again put the volume there. You don't do it.
Done, Samir.
Done?
Done.
Samir, done.
Okay. Now, Alka, you don't do it on the screen. I want others to delete the volume or let the volume be there, and I want you to bring moving averages on that, on your screen?
There are 3 moving averages.
Which one?
Moving average, exponential, and vector. So it's only the moving
No,
average
no.
that is selected.
You have to select only moving average.
Done.
Okay. Once you are done, let me know.
Yep, done.
Done. Not me. I'm not able to.
How to do?
हाँ नहीं वही है ना अभी ये दिस वाज द टेस्ट कि कितना लोग बोल रहे समझ गया और कितना लोग बोल रहे नहीं हुआ है.
Done. We change it to 30, right?
No, moving average किसके who was able to get moving average and who was not able to get moving average?
I got to get moving average.
हाँ?
Moving average आ गया, but करना क्या उससे?
नहीं करना कुछ नहीं, अभी तो हम प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं इस टूल को कैसे यूज करना क्या है वो तो बाद में देखेंगे. आज टूल को तो यूज कर लो कम से कम, मतलब एटलीस्ट वी लर्न हाउ टू यूज दिस टूल बिकॉज मेनी पीपल फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट टू इवन नेविगेट थ्रू ट्रेडिंग व्यू. सो टुडेज सेशन इज प्योरली बेस्ड ऑन हाउ वी कैन use this tool. Once we know how to use this tool, then whenever I tell something, you will be able to do it comfortably. Agreed? Right? So don't worry what has to be done. Today we are only learning how to use this charting software. That's it.
Samir, when we enable the moving average, we see a line through those candles.
Correct. So that is the moving average of the close price. Don't worry what it is. Now remove the moving average. Or those who did not get moving average?
I did not get.
Okay. Now Alka, can you bring moving average for him step by step and explain? Can you just speak and explain to him? Yeah. Okay. Deepak.
Yeah.
No. उसको समझाते भी चलो. Alka, you can explain him first.
Yeah. So first we have to.
Type volume.
Yeah, we have to click on this indicators.
Okay.
And then this space where we have search option, we have to put volume.
No, moving average. Moving average we have to put now.
So Samir, in my screen, volume is not there.
No, it's okay. It's okay. You have to teach him how to bring moving average right now.
Type moving.
Okay.
Let's type moving.
You have to teach him how to bring moving average right now.
Okay.
Now you have lot of go down. Just hold on there. See what has happened is that you will see lot of moving averages. Those are the indicators put by lot of other people also there. So it is better to go and don't have to get confused in so many things. Just you have to select this moving average.
The
basic one. No, everything can be start. It is for you to start. So you have to select this one, moving average and moving average exponential. So these are the basic functions. You will select moving average right now. That's all. Fine. Understood? Aa gaya, Deepak?
Yes. Got it.
Got it? Great. So everyone clear so far how to get it? Now you can remove the moving average. So we have learned. Yeah, remove. Yeah, close it. If you want, you can bring in volume or leave it. So till now, can someone summarize what all we have learned? No, close it. Close the window. Can someone summarize what all we have learned?
We log into the system, learn to set up the chart, different charts, to enter the script name, and come to different charts, the different frequency of the charts by day or a week or a month. And then we learn to change the chart type.
From?
We learn to
chart type from
the two candles to a line or a Heikin-Ashi. So there are multiple types of charts.
Absolutely.
And then we learn to add indicators.
Add indicators and remove indicators.
Remove indicators.
Fine. So everyone heard what Prasad explained right now?
Yes.
Yeah. Everyone is clear about this thing? Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, Prasad, thanks a lot for explaining wonderfully.
Samir, here I'm comparing the moving average that was given by volume handle and also moving average of given by the moving average handle separately. But those two numbers looking differently. Alka, can you put both volume and the moving average on the screen? I'll tell what volume.
So while you do this, Samir, I have just one question. This explanation of moving average will be explained later, right? Right now we are doing it.
Absolutely right. Right now, today we are only trying to navigate through this tool and how to use this tool. Once, like we have 64 people, so that is an excellent number today. So once all 64 are thorough with this tool, once I explain, every one of you can go and start doing things on that, right? So that's why we are taking right now. Yeah, go ahead. What is the question?
Alka, go to the settings of ME, average. Make it, no. Yeah, there. Yeah. Go to the settings. Yeah, change it to 20 as in volume. No, change the length to 20.
9 to 20. Change it, delete and type 20. Yeah, click OK.
I just did a quick check. No, both these numbers are looking different.
Yeah, it will be different. Because one is the moving average of price and another is the moving average of the volume.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay, fine.
So what is the offset? Offset would be doing there.
Where go in settings, Alka. Okay, don't worry about offset 0. Keep it 0 only. Okay. Now you can say okay. Now come out, remove moving average, and fine. So far so good. Everyone is okay. So this is the basic functionality. Now what you can do is you take up here only for Alka. Take on the this line up. Take towards the right till it is written unnamed. Go right, further right. 3 to the here. Click on that. Okay, now your second problem is solved because every time you are opening, it is going to hourly chart. Now every time you will open, it will go to the daily chart. Now don't do anything. No, it was for her because every time she had set an hourly chart, every time she was logging in, it was going to a hourly chart rather than daily chart. So now I just saved in her screen for that. Fine. Let's go ahead with a second function. Now you take your mouse to the leftmost corner, go down two step down. Okay, now this and click on the arrow. Okay, this is where we'll get our drawing tools for drawing line and trend lines. Okay, so now our basic start point is drawing of support and resistance, right? So when we learn technical analysis, first thing what we learn is how to draw the support and resistance line so that we can analyze the stock. So now we are going to learn how to draw horizontal lines and vertical lines. What are we going to learn?
Horizontal lines and vertical lines.
Correct. How about others? What are we going to learn?
Yeah, horizontal and vertical lines.
Yeah. So we are going to learn horizontal and vertical lines. So see, you have to come here. Now you have to select horizontal line. Okay. Select and keep it. The bottoms are being formed. You click anywhere. Anywhere you click. See, this line is formed. Everyone saw this? Yes. That is step number 1. I want every one of you to go and create a horizontal line in your chart. And say yes once it is done. And with some energy, please.
Yes, Samir.
Yes.
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 After 4, 5, 7, 8, yes, the energy goes down. Are you all sitting together or how it is? Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now double click this line. See, there are two things. One is one panel is opened on the top. Can you see? Take your mouse to right. Right. Here below, little below. See, this panel is open. So as soon as you select this line, this panel is opened here. The first one is the color. So let's change the color. The next one. Yeah. Now what color you want?
Green.
Okay, change it to green. Okay. Now take your mouse there. Okay, take your mouse where you changed it to green. Next selection. Yeah, next drop down. Yeah. Now,
sorry, I got disconnected. Can you please confirm from where this option has come?
Wait. Just a minute. Now the next one is we want to make this line thicker, right? So now make it the thickest. Yeah, last one. Okay. See, it has become thicker. Now, wait. Now you go to the select the line once again. Click on the line. No, below the green line. Now press the delete button. Delete button also you can delete, or that way also you can delete from here also. Remove. Okay. Yeah. Now someone asked the question. Now Alka will tell from where it is coming step by step.
Yeah. So we have to go extreme left hand side, and where we get line, when we click on this arrow, we get various line options. So we have chosen horizontal line.
Clear?
So, and when we click anywhere on the chart, we get the line.
Clear?
Suppose you have to change the color.
Go ahead.
Color, then this is the option we have. We have chosen green. So this is green line. Here, if we want to change the like width of the line, or the we want broader line, we have selected this one, and we got this.
So
we cannot enter multiple lines. Like once
no, we can enter. We can enter. You can draw one more line.
Every time I need to click the line, or
I first basics. Then I'll tell you the shortcut also. Don't worry. Okay. Select one more line drawn. You can draw one more line. The earlier one. This is partial line. Yeah. So you can select that and remove that. Yeah. Okay. Again one more line like this. Yeah. There.
So from here only.
No. Open that. Yes. Go there. Open that. Yeah. Horizontal. You are selected. No, not this one. The one above. This one you select. Now you select. See, it has become the horizontal. So earlier one was the shorter one. This is the full one. Okay. Now you change this color to red. Okay. Fine. Now go to the next tab after the color. After that, one more tab, next tab. Okay, drop it down. And this is the type, dash type, dotted type. So you select the dotted type. Okay. This. Okay. Now pause. Everyone saw how we are doing it. Now
yes.
I want each one of you to select this horizontal line, and the screen should have one green line like this and the dotted line, red line on your screen. Once you are able to do both, say yes.
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 Samir, one doubt, Samir.
Yeah.
That is not doubt in my screen. Suddenly that chart graph has gone. Only I'm just seeing blank one.
Sorry. You deleted the price, looks like. You, while deleting the line, you must have selected on the this thing chart. So can you select on
we can go to back screen.
No. I think you will have to again. I don't know. So what you do is you delete this. You click on the. Someone is having very high noise actually. Let me see who is having. Fine, no problem. How to solve this problem? Click on any candle. Let's see. Alka, can you click on the candle?
No candle is visible.
I'm coming to that. Now right click and say remove. Yeah, remove. No, remove is not there.
No. I think remove is on the extreme left only. No, where is here?
No.
Can I go to settings?
No. Okay, you select again. Click on the candles. Okay, again click once again. No. Okay. Right click only. Okay. No. Wait.
I clicked twice.
Okay, this open. Click only once. Okay. Bas. And press delete button on your keyboard.
Okay. Did that.
Nothing happened. Okay.
Nothing.
Then Jyoti, I think you will have to log in again.
I will log in again. Okay.
I think I was trying to delete from this. It is not deleting like that. So I think you might have to log in again. And still you find problem, don't worry.
I'm not able to do the second line, only one line is coming.
Why second line? What you are doing?
Say green line I draw. Then how to draw the red one?
Same way second line. I think.
So
it's not working. Only that green is coming.
Okay, fine. It's okay. So how many of you were able to draw a green line and a red line?
Yeah, myself.
Able to draw. Everyone?
Able to draw both.
Yeah.
Okay, Jyoti, you are able to draw the line?
Yes.
Jyoti has dropped off, looks like.
Yeah, I was draw, but suddenly this happened. I
don't worry, just follow the process. We will bring your chart later. So I'm just teaching the horizontal line, vertical line, like that. Okay?
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah. So just hold on. Everyone is able to draw green and red and change the red as a dotted as it is being seen on the screen?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So we have Jose who is not able to do, right?
I got it.
Jose, you are not able to do it?
No, I got it.
You got it. Okay, fine. So now everyone is okay. Now Alka, hold the green line. Take your mouse to the green line, and you have to right click to hold it and right click. No, sorry, left click, right? To hold that, left click, press it and take it up. Below this. No, below the bottom, like this. Like you see the candles bouncing, no? So you have to, let's say if you have to draw a support line, where you will keep this line.
Yeah.
So little below, little down. Okay. So if you want to adjust your line over the graph, what you have to do is you have to left click, hold it and take your mouse to that, hold it and move up and down. So bring it down now below the red line. Okay. Now take it above the red line. Okay, now I want everyone to practice this. Hold the line, take it below and take it above, like she is doing.
Done.
Yep.
Done?
Yes.
Yes.
Done.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. I'm waiting. I'm counting 60 voices.
Yeah, done.
Yes, done.
Okay. Now delete the, you don't do anything, Alga. You wait there. Now I want everyone to delete the red line only.
Deleted.
Done, Samir.
Done?
Yes.
Done? Okay. If in case you want to delete this line, there is one option. Can you take the mouse to the leftmost corner? Take it down. See, this is the dustbin. Can you see the remove drawings option there?
Yeah.
So you can also use that and remove the all drawings. So she pressed that and all drawings will disappear. Fine. So now you remove your green line by pressing that delete button. Everyone delete your. I don't know how it is coming.
Yeah.
I think this is.
One question. So I can't see the bar chart beneath
Bar
my
chart?
graph. So how did you?
By bringing the volumes there. No, there was something drawing and all was there. Somebody taught me last time. Is it hide video? What is disable?
Selected the full screen.
There is
a four arrow marks right after settings. Unnamed.
Samir, disable
before the camera.
Sorry.
Somebody's scratching on the screen. Disable annotation.
Where it is? From where I have to disable? Hide annotate, is it?
Yeah, that's right. You have to disable that so that no one can scratch on the screen.
Okay.
Sorry, where to go for that?
I think it's there on the settings.
No, I'm.
I think somebody told in one session.
Yeah. I'm also trying to search that only. I got to the eraser, but
that comes in under view option. Go and you will see annotate.
Okay.
View option.
Yeah, that should be on the top of the screen. Not in the Zoom, but
okay. Yeah, I'm going to annotate, but I think I'm not able to use that. Again, someone is scratching on this screen only.
Yeah, so because I just tried and I put this view.
It's in the Zoom settings. You're trying in the charting view, Aluka.
Yeah.
So you have to try in the Zoom setting.
No,
like
but
said, no view.
I am the this like host, so I should be able to do it, right?
Yeah.
But I am not able to. Okay, in that I am getting mouse, text, draw, stamp, arrow, eraser, format, undo. Okay.
I am able to erase it.
I'm not able to erase it right now. Okay, if
I was able to erase what I drew.
Okay, gone. Now I got how to erase. So fine, great. Thanks a lot.
So you pressed erase there, huh?
Yeah, I pressed erase all.
Okay, good.
Okay, so great. So we are having drawn till here. Volume. Who is not getting volume here? Someone said I am not getting volume. The bars below.
No, I got it.
Okay, great.
I entered volume and I got it.
Fine. Now second is we will now select the trend line. Okay, so you can go there. Trend line, same place. The first one. Now you select it here. Now trend line is drawn between 2 points. See, we learned horizontal line where selected the horizontal line, placed it. It was all over the view. Now trend line, we have to select point A and point B. So select, you click where your mouse is right now, yes, and take it to point B, wherever second place, you click it. Click it. No, एक काम करो आप इसको hold this and bring it to the low point of this mouse. This red candles are there on the here, correct. The low of here, and now click it and make it little thick. The first one, make it little thick and like this. So this is a trend line. If you want to change the location of the first round, you have to go hold that round and move it wherever you want to place it. You can take it up, down, anything like that. Okay, fine. Everyone okay with what she has drawn? Trend line?
Yeah.
Please draw it and confirm.
Yeah, done. Yes, Samir.
Done? Done?
Done. Yes.
Okay, now delete this trend line.
Done.
Okay.
Now we will draw a ray. So you select here. Yeah. Okay. Now we will ray. Now select this. So point number 1, same like trend line. Select the point number 2. Any point number 2. Anywhere. Select the point number 2. Click there. Okay. Now see, you now make it thick, more visible. Okay, now what has happened is trend line we only were able to select from A location to B location. Ray extends the same till infinity. Fine. I want everyone to draw this ray here.
Yeah, done.
Done?
Yeah, done.
Done? Fine. Great. Excellent. Now delete this ray.
Samir, can I go here and delete? Or
Yeah, you can either you can delete from there. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay, but it deletes all your drawings. So be very cautious. You should not, if you are drawing 5 lines, you want to delete one and you press that, all 5 will be gone.
Okay.
So that deletes all the drawings. One by one, you have to delete that.
Okay.
Now we will go to Fibonacci. Okay. Before we go to Fibonacci to draw, I want you to do one thing. See, bring your mouse above March. This written, no? February, March. At the bottom, February, the timeline is there.
Yeah.
February, March.
After 17.
After 17.
Sorry, 17, yeah.
Yeah, March, right? You take your mouse to the top part. Above the 17 you take. Take above the 17. Before March, 17 is written. Na?
17th of February.
Take it up. Okay, wait. No, just go till the candles. Bring your mouse till the candle. Go little right, 2 candle right. Fine. So this will be our A point. Okay. Just remember. Okay, Alka.
Yeah.
This is our. Why? Don't worry. Why? This is our A point. Okay. First, let's draw and then now bring to April. The candle which is there above April. Okay. Now this will be the candle above the April. Where only 1st April. candle above 1st April.
Okay, March, April.
This will be our point B. Okay.
So 1st April and 17th February.
17th February. This is point A, point B. Now when now go to the that वो त्रिशूल बना हुआ है ना उसके trend line नीचे. You select that and bring the options here. Now if you go down, it is written Fib retracement. Up, 4 above, 1. This one. You have to select this Fib. So Fibonacci, if you are doing, we have to select this Fib retracement. Now you go where we had decided the point A. Okay. This is click there. Now go to the point B. Okay. And 1st April on the candle, click point B. Okay. So this is going down. And if you see on this picture, you are clicked there, right?
Yeah.
On the left side, you will see 0, 23, 34. ये क्या settings है आपका? Double click on this.
Here?
No, on this Fibonacci, on this circle double click. इस पे circle पे double click करना. Now what you do is pull it little above, like now wait. ये आपका no, I want to see this 3.618. This setting. Okay, you uncheck all after 2.618. You uncheck.
2.61.
This one uncheck this. The one below that, and all this right one. All of this one. All. Okay. So we want only point. But where is the 0.5? आपके इसमें ऐसा क्यों आ रहा है? We should have point. Select the 0.5 on the right side.
0.5 is on the right side.
Right. Select that 0.5. Select the 0.5. No, there only. Here where your mouse is, below this. This one. Correct.
Okay.
Select this. Okay. And you can even select the 0.236 also.
0.236.
Okay. Fine. That's it. And below that 0.786. 0.5 के नीचे. 0.5 के नीचे. ये वाला.
Everything between 0 and 1.
We have to select anything between 0 and 1 and now say OK. Okay, so this is your retracement. So point A से point B तक नीचे it fell down, the price fell down, and how far it will retrace, that is what we are learning from Fibonacci. So 38%, if you take your mouse to the left side where values are written, okay, this is 0.65, 236, 382, right? So these are the retracement values which will come when we learn Fibonacci. Everyone okay with that?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, now I want so I want every one of you to draw this Fibonacci on your chart.
Sir, drawn. I need one help.
Done.
On my axis, that is where the time time is plotted. I can see the timeline is much more extended than what your timeline is.
कोई बात नहीं, आप कहीं भी draw कर दो उसको, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Don't worry about 17th February or April. Just I want you to click that point A, point B. So point A should be higher, point B should be lower. Click there. So you will have this drawing. Are you able to get this drawing?
I'm able to do that.
Great. How about others?
Yes.
Done.
Yes.
Done? Everyone?
Done.
So
Sorry,
I'm able
can
to
you
do
just-
Samir, but only one thing in the top above this gray area, I am getting blue area also additionally.
Yes.
No, but go to the settings like we did right now. Can you show them, Alka, how did we go? So you can double click on the circle here, double click. So you will get the settings and you select only between 0 to 1.
Okay.
0 to 1. Okay.
And all things on the left side 0 to 1 and this side all these three. You have to keep this only for your use. Everyone is able to do that?
Yes.
Yeah, now
Okay. It is working, but nothing is coming from 786.786 and above. So after blue, I'm not getting the gray one.
Gray one, कौन सा gray चाहिए आपको? You have
select one.
You have selected one?
No,
No, see, it's on the screen. Na? She has selected 0, 3.382, 0.618, 1. Then on right side 0.236, 0.5, 0.786. Have you selected all that?
Yes,
Yeah, okay, one, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I did that, Samir, but I'm still not. I'm still seeing the bluish area above the gray.
You scroll down below. There is a 4 written. You delete that. Scroll down.
Scroll down करना. Go.
4 selected है वहाँ पे आपका.
कहाँ पे? हो सकता है. So nothing should be selected below. Do you have selection there?
No, all are unselected. Except this what is being shown in the screen. But I'm still seeing the color.
No, color is okay. Which color you are seeing?
Then you will see the change then. Click OK first and then change.
No, I did the OK.
Which color you are seeing? Where you are seeing?
Above this gray color on the top.
Okay, can you share your screen with me? Alka, please stop.
No, I'm on the laptop. Doing on laptop and this is on.
Okay, fine. So fine.
It is showing because of 3. If you have unselect 3, right? Like 3 or 3.1 or 3.414.
Yes, some higher value is selected. That is why graph is actually.
Remove all those, then 3 is showing that.
Anyway, leave it. So I think I have only up to 1, but still it is showing maybe something else. I will do it.
So you can do it, no problem. So now delete this Fibonacci. Now what we did was Fibonacci drawing for the price going down. Okay. Now again select the Fibonacci and here only select Fibonacci. And the A point should be lower and B point should be higher. So select on April, at the April you select, select this here 1, click here and take it up. The right side, take it up as far as, take it on the right side only, right side, up, okay, and click here. Okay, now this is Fibonacci for going up. So you see, earlier when we drawn it for going down, it started from below 0, 0.236, then 382, then 0.5. Okay, what you can do is draw for one going down also. You have
I have to select
yes,
again
yes,
here?
you have to select again. Okay, draw one, click there, draw. Okay, so and click anywhere, right? Okay, fine. Click, okay. See, this is Fibonacci going down. So that means this click on the going down. Okay, you will see that if you start from below 0, then you have 236, 382 like that. Everyone can notice that?
Yeah.
Okay, on right side, we clicked the down the button which is below first, and then we clicked the button which is on the top, correct? So we have the Fibonacci going up. So now you see where the values 0, 2, 3, 6, 382 and all are coming. Can you see the difference? Everyone can see the difference between the two?
So it's happening reverse way, right?
Yes. It's happening reverse way. So you have to draw Fibonacci going down, you have to draw Fibonacci going up, right? So both the ways you have to draw. So this is how it should look. Fine, going down. So you have to click first on the top, then you have to click below. If you have to draw going up, you have to click below and then above. Alka, can you just repeat first draw for going down and delete both? First draw for going down and then draw for going up. So please everyone look at what she is doing carefully. Above. The second one. Above. Above.
Okay,
Further, this one, yeah.
So I'm going to draw first, going up. I have selected this candle. This is my first point. I have clicked here once, and my second point is somewhere here. I have clicked again here. So this is going up here. Going down.
Yeah, just pause. So whenever the price is going up, if it is coming down, we have to see how far it will come down. We use this. I'll go in detail. Those who are new, don't worry. So this is going up. Fine. Yeah, go ahead, please.
Yeah. So for another Fibonacci, which we are making going down again, I have to select. I selected February 14. This is my first point. Then I'm going down, and this is my second point, 13 March 20. So this is going down. the numbers are coming like 0.786 here, but here you can see it is coming at the bottom 0.786 because this chart is going up and this chart is going down. The numbers are opposites. This is down, this is here up.
Yeah. So I want every one of you to practice this. Select Fibonacci and draw it going up and going down and say yes.
Yes. Samir, one question.
Yeah.
For which are the points that we select? So is it like the
no select anywhere. First draw like going up, going down. So select one bottom. Take just practice it. I am not saying where to put. We will learn later. We are just getting well versed with the tool, right?
Done, Samir.
Don't worry. Yeah. Everyone okay?
Yeah, done.
Yeah. Done.
Okay. Fine.
Yes.
Fine. Yes. So great. Now delete this drawing. Fibonacci. Everyone delete this. Okay. Everyone deleted?
Yes.
Okay. Now do one thing. See, if you bring your mouse slowly below where 14th is written. 14th. Yeah. See, above there is a plus and minus arrow. Plus and minus button, right? Everyone can see this button?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes? 5 people only can see it?
Yes.
Yes.
6, 7, 8.
64th one.
Okay, now press plus. See, it is zooming. Keep pressing slowly. See, it is zooming in. Okay, now zoom out by pressing the minus. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Okay, someone asked this question, right? I am seeing all the candles all over. Okay, now I want everyone to press plus and everyone to press minus to practice it. And
Samir,
say
can
yes.
This sign appear during Samir, can this sign disappear sometime?
No, it will be there. You have to bring that mouse there, somewhere in that center of your screen, bottom. So you will find that you have to move your mouse there. So you will find that.
It disappeared.
See,
I'm just taking it in the chart. When my cursor is in the chart, then it is visible.
And when she is removing, it is gone. Even if she moves her mouse up, it will disappear. See, it has disappeared. So you have to bring your mouse somewhere in the middle of the screen at this location. So you will see plus and minus. Everyone is able to do zoom in, zoom out?
Yes. Even if you take the mouse down near the month where it is written, now you will find this arrow.
It will.
But that also directly you can zoom in and zoom out.
नहीं कंफ्यूजन मत करो अभी एक सब एडवांस वर्जन में जाएंगे अपन. ओके दो इंस्ट्रक्शन हो गया तो मुझे फिर समझाने में प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी बाद में. ओके सो प्लस एंड माइनस एवरीवन इज एबल टू डू इट. Yes. 4 yes only.
Yes.
Okay, now after plus minus there is a right arrow and left arrow. Can you press right arrow? Yeah. So what it is doing?
Moving the chart.
Moving right.
And now use the left one. Keep pressing. Okay. Now everyone please practice it.
Yep. Working.
Yeah, working fine.
Working, Samir. Yep.
Okay, great. Now everyone is okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Now take your mouse to the rightmost corner on the top where you have one rectangle with lot of lines. Right hand side top. Right hand side. Right hand side. Go further right. Go further right. Right. Go right. Here. Okay. This is click on this. See, that watch list has disappeared, correct? Again, press on that. Press on that. No, there only, same place. Yeah. See, it has appeared, right? Everyone saw that?
Yeah.
Everyone practice that once and say yes.
No, I'm not able to see. Maybe just hold on.
You'll have to scroll up.
Yes.
Yeah. See her mouse, na? Just move your mouse there. Extreme right top there is a rectangle with lot of lines, right?
Okay.
You click that once and again click it, so you should be able to see the watch list and like that. Done?
Understood.
Okay. Yeah. Now if you want to, you take it to S&P 500. Your mouse, it is written S&P 500 below the watch list. If you want to remove this, you have to put the cross, so you can delete it. Okay, you can keep on deleting, no problem. See, you have to push the cross and you can delete whatever is mentioned there. Okay. Now go to the watch list there. Wait, Alka. Now watch list up, go up, little left.
Okay, just
here where it is written add symbol, right? Click there. Click there. No, where it is written add symbol. Click there. Now type Maruti. Okay. Maruti, MARUTI, full, you write.
Okay, full line.
Okay, now you are first row. Click on that. Okay, see Maruti is added in your watch list.
Okay.
Okay. Everyone clear about this? How we have added in the watch list?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now the advantage is I don't have to type my symbols on the left hand side every time. Now what type Reliance also? Okay, now select Reliance Industries and you will have Reliance Industries there. Now the advantage is you don't have to type again and again. You have to just go there, watch list, click on that. You click on Maruti. See, you will get the Maruti chart. Now click on Reliance. You will get the Reliance chart. So you don't have to type every time on the left hand side. Once you make your watch list on the stocks you want to watch, you can simply add in the watch list and you will get it here. Okay, so it will make your life easier. Fine. I want every one of you to practice that. And confirm.
I'm able to add in the watch list can change the screen or chat.
It's changing.
Yes.
Yes. Done.
Done.
Okay.
Kindly repeat it.
Sorry.
Can you repeat this process?
Yeah, Alka, please.
Yeah. So here, extreme left, top, you will find add symbol.
What about that line box, last box? What was the function of it? I guess
okay.
that was to remove the watch list only.
Hide.
Yeah. So when I had this, when I click on this, I don't see any watch list here.
That's all.
Okay. Right? So when I click again, I get the watch list. And to add on the equities on the watch list, I have to put the name here. So I put this Vedanta. So sorry, before that, suppose I don't want all these names. I don't want them. So I have to cancel them here. I have to remove them.
Correct.
But I want all these three, but I want to add on, say, Cipla. So I will put Cipla and then so Cipla is added. Now I want to check immediately what is the status of Cipla. I got it. Again, I want to go and check this Reliance. Then this is.
Thank you.
So this got added in my watch list.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay. So far so good. We are all comfortable. What we have learned so far?
Yes.
Yes.
60 yes, please.
Yes.
No, don't say 60 yes. Say 60 people say yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what are we going to do about what we have learned today?
Practice.
3.
Homework.
So now what we have to do is you have to draw horizontal line, trend line, change. So I want you to first change symbol, take picture, draw horizontal line, take picture, remove it, draw a trend line, take picture, add few stocks in watch list, take picture. So 4 pictures you have to take from your mobile. Which all? नहीं समझा?
Horizontal line, trend line, and
we have to start with symbol first.
So you change symbol, change the symbol and take picture. So I want you to post on the group. I want 60 pictures. So 60 into 4, 240 pictures in the WhatsApp group. If I am not seeing, then I am not scheduling the next class. Again, we will repeat this class because then people have not understood or not practicing.
Can you repeat the homework?
Okay, one is you have to change the symbol. So take one symbol and change the symbol. You put another symbol here, right? So first you show the chart of Reliance, then Maruti. Okay. Then you draw one horizontal line, one trend line. Then you remove it. You put Fibonacci. Okay. Fine. And then I want you to put some stocks, Indian stocks, in this watch list and take a picture of the watch list here. So this 4 to 5 main things whatever we have learned today, I want all 60 people to practice it, take a snapshot and post it on the group saying I have understood. So I will be very clear that everyone here has understood, and then we go to the next part. Okay. So we will have a regular webinar on Monday 4:30 again, because majority are saying 4:30, and I'll also try to schedule sometimes 7:30, after 7:30. So many people are there who want at 7:30. So I'll try to see how I can adjust between 4:30 and 7:30. We will
question I have.
Yeah, just a minute, let me complete. So tomorrow we are having future and options basics class. So it will be those who have attended previously, they can attend. Those who are just joining to know, you can join. Anyway, after in my end, I'll repeat that class again, future and options. So don't worry if you don't understand tomorrow, just be there, try to follow. If you are not joining, still okay. If you are a beginner and not joining, it is still okay, you'll not miss anything. Practice whatever we have learned today. Agreed? Everyone agreed?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. So I'll be seeing 240 pictures on that WhatsApp group.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, 5 years only.
Yes. Yes, Sami.
Okay,
Yes,
10. Okay, 10 people only, yes.
Samir, my yes also.
Yes.
Oh, thanks a lot, Alka, for being such a sport. You did an excellent job. My instructions might have not been correct, but you really followed them well and explained everyone beautifully. Thanks a lot for it.
Thank you.
Can everyone say thanks, Alka, with full energy?
Thank you. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.
Okay. Now question. Praveen, you are asking the question.
Yeah, one question I had.
Yeah.
The volume bars which you have below, is there a way to show the numbers over there?
Yeah, you. Okay, who will tell him?
Is the traded volume? Is it the traded volume during the day?
Okay, Mohit, you go ahead and tell. Okay.
So volume number, if you look at the left hand side top where Vedanta is written, just below that, volume number is mentioned as 10.173 now and 12.45, now 13.51.
No, keep your mouse stable. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you can see the number volume there. Praveen was asking some question. I believe I interrupted him 2 times. Praveen, what was your question?
No, I'm clear.
No, I'm sorry, I interrupted 2 times. Who else was asking?
Samir, one question. So on this volume chart, so what is the significance of red and green here?
Red is the seller's volume, green is the buyer's volume. I will explain it. I have explained earlier. I'll explain it again when we are going through our support and resistance and all other classes. I'll cover that. Today, just understand using the tools, and I want everyone to practice it going home. Practice it as much as possible. Do everything and do all the tabs. Whatever I have told you today, check out all the tabs. Make the line thick, thin, dashed, everything you try over the weekend. Now we have Saturday, Sunday. Hopefully no one troubles you on weekends from the office, because I heard now they are traveling on weekend also.
Yeah, Samir, I have one question,
Yeah.
Rajesh.
Yeah.
Since we are beginners, and this is my first class, honestly.
Yeah.
So good to learn the platform.
Yeah.
So is there something you can list down the sequence of learning, like, because let's say you're doing today the platform,
Yeah.
tomorrow you're doing futures and options.
Mhm.
Maybe we as an beginners, we don't want to get into something very complex.
Yeah.
So is it something that you can list down the sequence of
Yes.
the learning process? So
Definitely. I'll be listing down. Definitely, I'll list down. Because I know. See, what has happened is I started on a weekly basis in January. In lockdown, now I have conducted almost 20 webinars continuously. Now we have a big group. Now what I'll do is I'll prepare an entire schedule and I'll write down in that. So you have filled the form, right, Rajesh?
Yes, I filled
Yeah.
the form.
So what I'll do is, based on the same lines, I'll list down all the webinars what I'm going to conduct. Okay. And I'll mention it beginner level. So you will have this beginners, and then like that I'll make it. Don't worry.
basically the idea is for us to
got it.
Follow a particular schedule to attend classes.
Correct.
Right?
I got it. Yeah. I'll make it right.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So,
last question.
Mayank, just last question because I have to attend something else. So I'll take this question and then we'll end the call. Yeah, Mayank.